Welcome back, everyone. I'm gonna make a bloom. I've got my bond crafter here. It was 91.2 just now when I took the thermometer out. Got my 33 grams out for my white. Let's get this resin in here. I almost didn't pour enough or make enough, did I? Okay, get your bubbles out. I think I'm gonna do some kind of fall colors. I wish it was fall. It's been extremely hot here in Oklahoma and pretty much everywhere. All my friends that, I talk to on YouTube, or my YouTube friends, my resin friends even, talk about how hot it's been overseas. So crazy year. Okay, I'm gonna do a brown from Let's Resin. We'll do it right there. I really don't think I've ever used brown. I wonder what this apricot looks like. Kind of like an orange, huh? I might throw in their orange, matter of fact. Oh, it is a little different. And what about their pear? Whoops. I don't know. That's pretty crazy. Let's see, I think I am gonna add a cherry from Deco Rum. And first thing, of course, I see a little tiny hair. I don't know what that reminds you guys of, but I remember in school, umpteen years ago, by the way, in art, you had to make these turkeys, and she would cut out the different colored feathers for the tail, and you just glued them on this body. Anyway, that's what those colors remind me of. Pretty funny. All right, let's do something with this. Okay. I like that. Blow it off and torch it. I should have already had my white in my piping bag. If I can find it. Aha. Okay, I'm using Eder Art. Let's see. Oh, there's a bubble. Happens at least every other time. 1, 2, 3, and my 33 grams. I think I had to order this and it took a couple weeks to get, but I really do love it. Get that mixed up. My room is 71.8 degrees right now. Let's get this in there. get with it. Do a couple little twists. I steady my finger on the scissors because I'm kind of shaky, so it helps. Okay, that's just fine. Now, I think I'm gonna do depending on how, whoa, see that one's already bigger than that one. Let's go ahead and get these done. If you think you got a blob, find it and try to pull it through. Whoops, like right there. Don't ask me why I did it this way. I literally have no idea why I did. No idea. Oh my gosh, there's like no room between those two. Some I'm putting 2 dots, some I'm putting, that one I did 3. Whoa, that's, yeah, I can't even tell where I put those dots. And that one right there. So I better hurry up and put them here. Okay. That's that. I wonder if I can add one here. I probably shouldn't have done that. But I did add an extra one. The lines aren't very thick or nothing, so I don't know what it's gonna do. bubbles everywhere. Which when I stir, I do make a lot of bubbles. All right, guys. I'm gonna leave that be. Should I? Nah, I'm not gonna do nothing to it. I'm just gonna leave it be and see what happens. So, sweet. All right, on to the next project. See you soon. All right, I was pretty disappointed that when I pushed record, it was at the end of what I was doing. So what I used was some brown from Let's Resin. I used a tiny bit of black, and then I used some brown mica powder from Let's Resin, and I mixed that all up together and got this pretty brown color. Went ahead and put that on there and torched that up a little bit. And I will see you guys for demold. See ya. All right, good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, whatever it is for you. Let's take a look at this. I hope it looks nice. Kitty cat. All right, are we ready? I do like the back, though. I hope the front looks good. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. I think that's awesome fall colors. Sweet. Oh, I love the one big one and the whole bunch of little ones. I think that turned out awesome. I love that so much. Sweet, I think that is great. Oh, I'm so happy with it. I hope you guys like that. I think it looks awesome. And I can see all the colors. I can see the brown and the orange and the red and the yellow. And I think the brown background looks awesome. I'm really glad I went ahead and used that. Sweet, guys. I'm ecstatic over it. All right, guys, I'll get a picture taken of this. And I hope you guys all have a super amazing day. And if you're not subscribed, please do. You know, it's free. If you're interested in my stuff, you know, you don't have to watch every video. You watch the ones you're interested in. But I greatly appreciate it. And hit the like button, guys, if you like this video. So, have a great one, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.